It's Jose Serrano from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles. This video it shows Bagel and Brute and Zoglin about top 20 Angry Grandpa Farms compilation 3 times. See the Guardians video I ever posted since 2020 or 2021. This is what happens if you fart in the public. Do not try this everywhere. Just try in your own race on the bathroom. Get ready for enjoying the show. This show time. Stand up, keep moving, and enjoy the show.
Love you.
Ew.
I love you too, Mike. Your fucking ass sounded like it was hollowing out.
Yeah, ew. Ew.
I'm beating my nuts off you ain't paying my bill. That's why you ain't my goddamn lady. They don't give you my goddamn bill.
Go inside, Dad. I'm talking to them.
Come on, I'm out here.
Yeah, I got shit. Whoa, do I got shit? Be back.
Oh my god.
Mike, did we just capture a fucking shit in the pants on camera?
Oh, goddamn.
Oh my god. Good now. Wait a minute. Those are the same pants.
Well, goddamn, I gotta finish cleaning.
Please.
Goddamn Roach over here doing the motherfucking backstroke. Turn the goddamn camera off! Whoa, come on. Oh, Michael, you got something?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was an Ebola fart.
I had Ebola. Turn that goddamn camera off, Bridget. Mike, tell her to turn it off.
Bridget, turn it off. Bridget.
Jesus fucking Christ. No wonder the plant's dying. That's what I think of Hulk Hogan. Oh.
I'm not breathing.
Somebody sent me a new pacifier. It must be a ghost. Hi from England. Wish number 2 would be I'd never met the. No, wish number 2.
Wish number 1. I'm staying at Dad's house. You did that on purpose. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Turtle! That fart wake up anybody! Top fat ass. Hey, Michael.
You know something?
You want to think about you, though?
What? Oh, God.
Ew. Close my doors. Oh god.
You gonna do it right next to the grill?
That's goddamn having.
You wanna cause an Yeah, good. Dude, the hell? It's like you ran over a cat.
Damn!
Jesus.
That was a good taco.
You want another one?
Oh my God. A roach!
What? It's toy.
I don't know if send me a roach, man. I got the insecticide for the roach, though. I just sprayed my house.
What is going on with you today?
My stomach is like, wow. I've had enough. I've had enough.
God! Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, my stomach. Oh my goodness gracious, I hope that flavor don't hit the goddamn meat.
What the fuck did I just witness?
That was a shit.
Dude, it sounded like fucking Uncle Buck's car backfiring. What?
Brent, my boyfriend is back and there's gonna be trouble. Hey ya, my boyfriend's back.
Ben's back, and I'm gonna.
One time was enough. We want to see more of Bridget.
Hey now, my boyfriend's back, boy's back, and I'm gonna be in trouble. Hey now, hey.
You know anything about that?
I felt air. I felt air. Oh. I could feel the air blowing at his ass. Oh my God!
That hurt.
Holy shit!
That hurt.
It sounded like
That hurt.
Oh my God!
You motherfucker! You son of a bitch! You motherfucker! I'll be me alone. I want
Oh god. Dude. Morning farts are the worst.
God.
Oh. Oh, not my way, please.
Hold on.
It's time for you to quit smoking. Happy Father's Day.
Fuck on. You want to do your car now?
That's Bridget's car.
Okay.
I press charges.
Oh, wow.
Ew.
That's like that black one I had. Yeah. I said black green for a week. That's the verdict on the Whopper.
Should not have eaten beets from like a century ago. Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Dad, the beets!
Oh my god! Happy Easter, Grandpa!
I'm a daredevil.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I think about Book of Thorns.
All right, Bridget, I need you to call some freaking homes.
Alright,
That's some stuff that, you know.
I believe that.
Then we're gonna have to send you somewhere.
nursing home or something.
Believe that.
Oh, God.
Every bit of being fucking garbage, and you get your mouth around it. Woo! Good God Almighty. Oh God! It's about this big around. I got him on the front door in Walmart.
Damn, man, you had a leg lift on that one.
Where you going, boy?
You got him sitting down. He's so grossed
I
out.
made him nauseated.
Back to back again in the thumbnails. We can't do that right now.
Oh, my God.
Unbelievable. I'm glad we got a long one on camera.
You left a stain on the car.
Oh, my God!
What the hell?
Alright.
I still got meat and mashed potatoes. I got fart. Oh.
Oh, good.
Oh, my Lord.
Oh, my God.
That's a barn burn.
Wait a minute, the power
I don't
went.
give a damn. I'm done. I'm like, fuck this shit. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Well, you gotta finish the game.
There's nothing. Dumbass. You ready to work?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, man.
Jesus!
God
I
damn.
turned up right when I turned on the camera. I
Oh, God, my.
Jesus Christ!
Wonder why I fart so much.
Do you fart a lot? No. What? It's instant again.
Jesus Christ!
No more.
Oh my God, that. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I can't sing the Father part, but I felt was right here. Chicken.
Yes, sir. Hey, Michael.
Oh, God.
That was perfect. That was good.
Okay.
Okay. You can't convince me that wasn't shit. Oh, she's.
Just come here and yell at me, man. Dude!
Oh, my God.
The fuck's your problem? I ate twice today.
What the fuck?
God, dude.
That's that bacon pizza. You feeling any better? Way too much bread.
Oh, my God.
Okay, that was wet. I'm 100% sure that was wet. You.
That Matt,
Oh, okay.
they'll be getting in the mother chicken.
I didn't want to talk. I just wanted to film. Oh, ooh. Oh.
That's what's left of it. Thanks.
You are a piece of shit! You know what I think about that? Burn my goddamn face. I got a question, Tina. Do I look like Elvis? Yeah, that's your double. That's your twin.
Was that Mr. Gorilla? Is he waiting on his tea?
Why don't you shut up?
Oh. So what's the deal? What are you doing right now?
I'm cleaning up. I gotta cut my grass.
Trust me, you wait. You too, Grandpa.
The prank that I planned for Bridget.
I'm out.
I don't know what's gonna be worse, that fart or the prank we got planned for Bridget.
The prank we got planned for
Obviously
Bridget.
the fart, because it's not happening to me.
Well, close your eyes at least. Oh my God.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Had a burrito for lunch. We got me good. God, I feel fucking homeless.
Goddamn.
You want to walk us through it after that? Yeah, you look fine right now. Look like you're ready to tap dance.
Yeah, let me give you a kiss.
I think he just shit his pants.
Have you calmed down?
I've been calm.
No, that was not calm. Have you calmed?
I've been calm.
Stand up. I want you to see something.
I want to
Just stand up.
I'll stand up apart.
You're just trying to be...
Stand up.
What is with you?
I don't know, man. Killing me, though. Dang, you goddamn pipe bomb! I am cutting your hair!
Oh my god.
No.
I need to get
I'm
out.
fucking out of this.
I'm out.
Sit down! Not even! Sit down! Oh my god.
I can't breathe.
Did I ward off any zombies? God! I'm choking!
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Just gonna wait for the brownies.
Yeah.
What? Ah, goddamn!
Oh my God.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh!
I'm out.
Wait, hold on, Dad. I didn't get it.
That bird bad. That bird hairs on my ass. And I didn't know the motherfucker was shooting at me. That grandma.
It's on the back.
Kiss my fat ass. I got a big one. Hey.
Grandpa. Oh my God, the dude. Shoot.
Oh, he farted. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. You got people out there that they may not be as pretty as you are. Ooh. Or they might fart louder than you do. But you know something? God damn, fucking chair was wet. God damn, I got a wet ass. Motherfuck. Oh man, that little bit, I've been to that motherfucking candle. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh, God. That was good, kid.
Oh, great. My new hat.
Oh my God. Keep going! Your room stinks, man. You need to air dry this thing.
Are you trying to fart? What are you doing?
No.
Thumbnail?
Oh, God.
You were one nasty son.
Oh!
Oh! See you, Bob. Hope you like your new table.
Bye, Margo.
Shove it up your ass, because it seems empty now.
Oh! Here swings your axe.
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
How the hell did I get up?
I don't know, man. Ugh.
He won't.
It's too early for farting like this.
That's gonna be it. Before I end this video, go see the Guardians Plus Monster Pains playlist that I created video since 2021. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Jose Serrano Special Vehicles.